Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can get clients through LinkedIn using different ways. I've already shared with you a lot of the strategy. I've shared with you how you can get clients on LinkedIn using groups and how you can get clients using LinkedIn search. So there are so many strategy I've already shared with you, but in this video, I'm going to share with you another strategy which will help you to get clients on LinkedIn. And based on your offer and target customer, you need to use this strategy to get clients for your services. Okay, so let's say you want to work with coaches, okay, and you want to provide any kind of service, video editing or graphic designing service. Okay, so you want to work with coaches, so you need to type here coach, okay, and then enter. Okay, here you can see that at this time you don't need to click on groups. I've already told you that if you are searching for groups, then you need to click on groups. And but right now we are not searching for groups, and we are not searching for people. We are only searching for events. We are going to use the new strategy that will help you to get clients, and this strategy is we are going to reach out to prospect using events. Okay, so here you can see that there are so many events people are organizing. Okay, and here you can see that there are so many attendees who attend this event. Now, what you can do, you uh, these are the attendees. You need to you can reach out to them one by one, and you can pitch your service. Okay, and if uh, out of 1400 433 attendees, if you can convert only five client, then you can easily charge $500 to $1000 from one client. Okay, and you can easily make $5000 to $1000. Okay, that's why I'm saying to you that please reach out to them. Please don't think that this is a very few clients. Okay, very few attendees. Okay, so what you can do right now, you need to first register in this event. So how you can register? So I have already registered, so I'm not going to register again and again. Okay, so after register, now you can able to click on this. Okay, and you can see their uh, attendees from here. Okay, and you can reach out to them if they are your customers. And right now I have searched the word of coach. Okay, but you can use the different keyword, like you can use health coach. Okay, because so we need to try different methods. So here you can see that in health coach event, in this event there are 27,619 attendees, and if you can convert only 1000 attendees or 500 attendees, you can see that or you can how much you can make uh, using this way. Okay, now you need to first attend this event. First you need to read the elevate your job search tips for showcasing achievements. So I don't think this event is related to health coaching. Okay, but no problem, we can join this, we can attend this event by clicking here. Okay, and now we are in this event. Now what we can do, uh, if you didn't attend this event, if you don't attend any event, so you are not able to click on their attendees. Okay, but after attending their event, what you can do, you can easily able to click on this attendees, and you can reach out to them. Here you can see that 20,700 27,000 attendees you can reach out. Okay, so and here you can see that 1000. Okay, this is the same groups which I have already shared with you. Now you can use now another different word. let's say uh, you can use mindset coach. Let's say what we got the result. Okay, so here you can see that 184 attendees, 154 attendees. So you need to join some groups and you can reach out to them. Okay, so that's how you can use this strategy to get clients for your digital marketing service for any kind of services. Okay, and please don't think that Nishant, these are very few clients. How we can reach out to these clients? Please don't think too much before reaching out to them. Okay, and I'm not saying that. Uh, these are all 27,000 attendees is your uh, ideal clients. Okay, I'm not saying that, but out of 27,000, if only 4,000 or 5,000 you can get your ideal time, then you can, out of 4,000 to 5,000, you need to only uh, convert 5 to 10 clients or 20 clients. It depends on you. Okay, if you have a team, if you have a big team, then you can then I recommend you that please close at least 50 clients or 100 clients or many more. Okay, that's how you can grow your business. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. If you have any question, you can message me or you can comment below. Okay. So thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.